Hello and welcome to our ServiceNow GRC video series. In this very first video, we'll explore the GRC framework, the foundation of governance, risk, and compliance inside ServiceNow. We will break it down into four sections: an introduction to GRC framework, the key principles of GRC, the ServiceNow GRC architecture, and finally, how the framework aligns with industry standards and best practices. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of what GRC means in ServiceNow and why it's the cornerstone of enterprise governance and compliance. Introduction to GRC framework. Let's start with basics. Definition of GRC in ServiceNow context. GRC stands for governance, risk, and compliance in ServiceNow. It's not just a concept, it's a suite of applications that help organizations manage risk, enforce governance, and stay compliant with regulations. The core objectives, there are three key objectives here: governance, ensuring the right leadership, accountability, and decision making structures are in place; risk management, identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could harm the organization; compliance, making sure that policies, regulations, and standards are consistently met; relationship with enterprise strategy. GRC is not a back office function. It ties directly into the organization's strategic goal. For example, if a company wants to expand globally, GRC ensures they comply with international regulations and manage new risks that come with expansion. ServiceNow positioning in GRC. ServiceNow acts as a unified platform. Unlike traditional GRC tools that operate in silos, ServiceNow centralized policies, risks, controls, and compliance workflows in one system of record. This means leaders have fully visibility into governance activities across the entire enterprise. Key principles of GRC. Next, let's look at the principle that make GRC effective. Integration across business units. Governance, risk, and compliance are not isolated tasks. Finance, HR, IT, and legal all have a stake. ServiceNow allows these units to work together on one platform, avoiding duplication and miscommunication. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Risks and regulations are not static, they evolve over time. ServiceNow provides dashboards and automation that keep monitoring active so organizations can adapt quickly when changes occur. Risk based decision making. The principle shifts decision from being reactive to proactive. For example, instead of reacting to an incident after it happens, ServiceNow helps predict risk exposure using data and analytics so leadership can act before issue escalate. Organizations must map internal policies to external regulations. ServiceNow makes this easier by linking framework like ISO, NIST, and COSO directly to policies and controls within the platform, ensuring alignment with extra manual work. ServiceNow GRC architecture. Now, how does ServiceNow actually deliver GRC? Let's talk about the architecture. ServiceNow GRC is made up of several key apps: policy and compliance management, risk management, audit management, and vendor risk management. Together, these apps provide an end to end GRC solution. Data model and relationships. At the heart of ServiceNow is the data model, which connects policies, control risks, and audits. This creates a single system of record where everything is linked, so if a policy changes, associated risks and controls are automatically updated. Role based access controls. Not everyone should see everything. Executives need dashboard, auditors need evidence, and admin need configurations. ServiceNow uses role based access to ensure that the right people see the right data at the right time. Integration with other ServiceNow modules like GRC does not exist alone. It integrates with ITSM for incident data, security operations for threat intelligence, and HR service delivery for compliance training. This integration gives organization a 360-degree view of governance and risk. Framework alignment with standards. Finally, let's see how the GRC framework connects with global standard. ISO 31000. ServiceNow can map risk process to ISO guidelines, ensuring organizations follow globally recognized risk practices. COSO framework. Widely used in financial reporting and internal control, COSO can be applied within ServiceNow through policies and control structures. NIST guidelines, particularly important for cybersecurity, NIST standards can be integrated into compliance workflows in ServiceNow to improve security posture. Industry specific framework, whether it's HIPAA for healthcare, SOX for financial reporting, or PCI DSS for payment card security, ServiceNow GRC can align policies and control with these requirements. This flexibility makes it suitable for any industry. So to summarize, the GRC framework is ServiceNow provides a unified approach to governance, risk, and compliance built on key principles like integration, continuous monitoring, and risk-based decision mapping. Supported by a strong architecture of apps, data models, and integration, and aligned with international standards and frameworks. This framework is the foundation for everything we will cover in this series. In our next video, we will explore the benefits of GRC, why organizations choose to implement it, and what value it brings across operation, finance, and long-term strategy. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you in the next session.